Hey, what's going on? You here with E-Tech Mill, and what we gonna do? We're gonna check the rotors, the brakes, and just really the assembly all the way. So in order to do this, you know you're gonna need a jack stand to at least be able to get it. So unfortunately, I don't have my four-way that I normally have because, in fact, I might be able to find a four-way. So let me stop talking, because knowing me, I got something better than this, but I'm still gonna try it. So yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I already knew. I already know. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try a couple ways, but yeah, I ain't got no four-way. Then I'm not trying to yeah, this ain't gonna work. I need my breaker at least. So, but the only thing we can do right now is to look at the outside of it until my car gets back here with with all my materials to take care of roadside stuff. So yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of it. So you can definitely see that it's a lot of wear on the rotor. So these rotors are bad. And after that, as far as the caliber, you can just look at this caliber from the outside and see all that rust on it. As far as seeing how much meat is on that brake pad, I swear I had something. Let me get I'm gonna grab a flathead real quick. Yeah, get a flathead, let's see. Yeah, it has pad. So I looked at it. It has pad, but that rotor does need to change. You see, all them grooves. Yeah. So outside of the rotor, would like to take a better look at it as far as the back of it. So right now, all we're gonna do is do a external look without taking off the tire, just because you know, my father has my car right now, which has all of my stuff. But if we were to do the Wagner's technical tip,